Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful animated glowing border using just HTML and CSS with a rotating conic gradient and some cool blur effects. Let's dive in. We'll start with a simple HTML structure, just a div with the class box. Next, let's style the page and the box. We'll center everything and give the box a clean background and some basic layout. Now we have a centered square box with a dark background. Pretty simple so far. Now we'll use before and after pseudo elements to create the glowing border effect. We'll apply a rotating conic gradient and a blurred version for the glow. The before gives us the clean, sharp gradient ring, and after gives us that soft glow effect with a blur. To animate the gradient's rotation, we need to declare a custom property using the new@property rule, supported in modern Chromium browsers. This lets us animate a CSS variable like a regular numeric value. Finally, we animate the custom property of angle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees using a keyframes animation. And that's it. Now we have a smooth rotating conic gradient around our box, giving it a modern glowing effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more UI effects and modern CSS tips. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments and see you in the next one.